Many of us understand the importance of having role models that inspire us to pursue different career paths.
But for some, it can be hard to find the ones that we can relate to. Katrina Kincade is here in studio with more on why representation in the medical field is so important. Katrina.
Hey, and Liam, well, for Black History Month, we spoke with two doctors about working to break barriers in their fields while inspiring their communities.
According to the Association of American Medical Colleges, only 5% of physicians are black, despite the fact that the census says there are over 41 million black people in the U.S.
There is actual research out there that shows that when you are cared for people that look like you, your outcome is better.
Black people statistically have higher rates of maternal death, heart disease, and diabetes. Much of it stems from generations of socioeconomic inequities and racial biases in the medical field.
As a black woman, my own personal experience, just when I had my daughter at that time, I was not a nurse, and I felt like I wasn't heard.
After that, Tiffany wanted to make sure others didn't have the same experience.
And I felt like I needed to be in that space to make a difference.
She's part of the Bay State Birth Coalition and founded Nurses for Black Maternal Health and Equity in efforts to recruit more black women into the perinatal field.
I was loud for myself, and I want to be loud for other people who don't necessarily feel that power for themselves.
Over in Roxbury, Dr. Charles Anderson leads Dimmick Community Health Center, which serves a large community of color.
It's one thing to talk to your doctor about hypertension. It's a very different thing to talk to your doctor about your experience growing up as a black or brown individual in the neighborhood and the things that you face every day, and expect that they're going to be able to understand in a way that's going to provide you real value.
His parents instilled his love for community.
They raised me to care. That's at the end of the day. They raised me to care deeply about our community, care deeply about the people that we live right next door to, care deeply about our neighbors, and to know that we can do something, right? To know that we can make a difference.
A difference that's impacting hundreds of lives.
Research from the Journal of the National Medical Association found that exposure at a young age to role models of color in the medical field may increase the number of black physicians. And we hope highlighting these two physicians can add to that. Katrina Kincade, WBZ This Morning.
All right, Katrina.